Okay, I sound like a crazy person, but yesterday I splurged and bought some bird seed and put it out in my patio in a bird feeder that I've had and done nothing with for the past 5 years or so. And I've never seen birds around, but I heard if you put bird seed out, birds will come. So today's day one. And I have birds. Oh my God. There's a house finch right there. And there was a little black and white bird. I think I scared him away when I came to the window. Oh, I don't know what kind of bird that is. That might be a house finch. I don't think so, though. Oh, look. Oh my gosh. They're everywhere. Oh, there's a black and white one. All right, anyway, I'm so flippin' excited.